So today I'm going to show you how to get to the fuse box on a Honda CBR500R. So I was riding the other day and I noticed that it had no display. The display was completely out. I had no use of my signals. I had no brake lights, no tail lights, nothing. So it creates a pretty unsafe situation, especially in high traffic areas. Anyway, it's pretty simple. All we got to do is take out these two little hex bolts here. So this number 5 Allen wrench is pretty much one of the only tools you'll need for these bikes. I mean, I'm sure you'll need other ones, but you see the number 5 fits anything with a hex bolt, your mirrors, any of your, looks like most of your body parts. Yeah, it's number 5. Okay, and just take your seat off, like so. There's your fuse boxes here. Got your battery. The fuse we want is right there, the 7.5. Now I replaced this the other day, but I bought the wrong size fuse, so I'm changing that out now. It's right there. Just pull that guy out. That's the wrong size right there. Okay, so here's what I got from Amazon. Now you got to make sure you get the mini blade fuses. Let's see, you got every size in there, a whole bunch. Really not a bad deal. I can't say anything about the quality of the fuses yet because this will be the first time, but definitely get a little assortment there, and comes with a little fuse puller. So this is what you need right here in the mini blade fuses. Stick this thing here in a little hole. You have spots for spare fuses. So if you're ever on the road and this happens, change them out. So looks like we got a spare right there for the 15, and up here is the spare for the 7.5, and you can see somebody has used it before, so we're just gonna replace that. Let's see. Alright, there's the display. We do have our flashers, have our tail light. Assume the brake light works. Yep. If anybody wants to tell me what this spare O-ring's for, I'd appreciate it because I have no idea. So go ahead in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when new videos drop. Now make sure you put your fuse cover back on. Your this little cover here. This was throwing up a check engine light for the first time ever, and I'm wondering if it's because the wrong size fuse was in there. So hopefully now putting the right one in there, that'll fix that. If the check engine light went out. Did it. Do this the same way we took it out. Just make sure you put the front in first so it catches under this little lip here. Alright, so next video I'm going to do on the CBR here, as you see, I'll put on these aftermarket turn signals back here. Real sleek, a lot smaller. These, you see that one's broken, but these were the originals, and they're just big and bulky. So next I'm going to be putting those same ones that are on the back on the front here. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out a little bit, and we'll see you next time.